Hi everyone. Today, I'm excited to share this interactive dashboard designed to transform employee engagement survey data into clear, actionable insights. Let's dive in. This dashboard offers a comprehensive view of the engagement results. On the left, we have survey insights broken down by various metrics, and on the right, the profiles of the respondents, giving a balanced perspective of both the feedback and the people behind it. Starting with the left, we have the overall engagement score, showing the current engagement percentage and its variance compared to last year. This high-level overview helps you instantly assess whether engagement is improving or declining. Beside it, we have a visual displaying engagement scores for different job levels: directors, managers, executives, and juniors. This visual highlights engagement differences across roles, helping you identify where targeted initiatives might be most impactful. Moving down to the bottom left, there's a bar chart that compares engagement scores across categories like leadership, alignment, company confidence, employee engagement, development, and enablement. Each category has two bars, one for last year's results and another for current year, with an industry benchmark represented by a line. This chart makes it easy to spot where you're excelling and areas that may require extra attention to remain competitive. Hovering over each category reveals scores for individual questions within that category, giving you a detailed view of what's driving each score. This can guide you in crafting precise action plans for improvement. Next to the category analysis, we have an open-ended response section. Here, you can select specific questions and review a list of responses to gain deeper qualitative insights. These responses complement the quantitative data, adding rich context to employee sentiments on specific topics. Onto the right side, the respondent profile section. We see the total number of employees, which provides context for the survey's scope, along with the completion rate, showing how many employees participated. This helps you assess the survey's reach and representativeness. Below, there are 3 filters for region, department, and staff tenure. These allow you to drill down into specific workforce segment for a more granular analysis. At the bottom right, a tree map displays employee distribution, which you can adjust by region, department, or staff tenure. This visual reveals where your workforce is concentrated, supporting targeted engagement efforts tailored to specific segments. Now, let's explore how to use the dashboard's filters for deeper insights. For instance, to view engagement data for a specific region, simply select it in the region slicer. As you can see, when APAC is chosen, the dashboard updates to reflect data solely for that region. After selecting the region, you can adjust the tree map to display employee distribution by department, highlighting where most employees are within that region. To dive deeper, select a department, like operations, to see engagement scores for that team. This lets you analyze feedback at a department level, helping you spot unique trends or improvement opportunities. For even greater insights, adjust the drop-down to view employee distribution by staff tenure within that department. Then, use the staff tenure slicer to see scores for each tenure group. This detailed view allows you to tailor engagement efforts based on employee stay with the company. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, let me show you how to make this dashboard yours in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Download the template. Start by downloading the Power BI template and the Excel dataset using the link in the description below. It's completely free and easy to access. After downloading, extract the files from the zip folder, and you're done with step 1. Step 2. Replace the dataset. Before getting to the Excel dataset, here's a quick overview of the data structure. The main data table response contains key survey data, such as survey year, masked ID, question ID, response, score, open-ended answers, and tag for current year or last year. The next table, employees, provides the respondent details, including survey year, masked ID, department, job level, region, tenure, and tag. The last table survey holds survey details including question ID, questions, category, and industry benchmark. These tables are linked via key fields, enabling rich insights across various metrics. Now, let's open the Excel file. In the survey worksheet, replace the sample data with your survey questions and details. In the employee worksheet, input your own employees' information. Finally, update the response worksheet with your survey responses, and that's it for the Excel file setup. Step 3. Load your data to the BI template. Open the BI file in the Power BI desktop. If you don't have Power BI desktop yet, download it free from the Microsoft website. The link is in the description. For those interested in building the entire dashboard from scratch, I have a time-lapse video that walks through the process. Click the link above to watch. Now, to replace the data file in Power BI, click on the Transform Data button to enter the query view. To adjust the data source settings, click on the Data Source Settings button at the top. Select the file shown, then click on Change Source. Browse and navigate to the folder where you saved your dataset, and the BI file will automatically update with the new data. To exit Query View and load your data, go to the top left corner and click Close and Apply. Give it some time to load your new data. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll have your customized employee engagement survey dashboard, making it easy to analyze engagement and pinpoint specific area for improvement. Going forward, you just need to update the Excel worksheet and click the Refresh button at the top to update the dashboard with the latest data. I hope you find this employee engagement survey dashboard template helpful for your work or learning. If you are looking for more dashboard templates, be sure to check out my earlier videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.